Hey guys, you guessed it. Today we're talking about body organization and homeostasis. A helpful tip: when you're copying down your notes, each slide that comes on the screen, you only have to copy what's in white. Anything that's in blue is just extra information that you don't necessarily have to copy down. The human body can do many amazing things, from eating to breathing, but to do these things requires one main thing: organization. The levels of organization in the human body consist of cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. Cells. A cell is the basic unit of structure and function in a living thing. Complex organisms are composed of many cells in the same way a brick building is composed of many bricks. The human body contains about 100 trillion cells. Function. Cells carry on the processes that keep organisms alive. They provide structure, take in nutrients, convert nutrients to energy, carry out functions, and contain hereditary material. Inside some cells, for example, molecules from digested food undergo chemical reactions that release energy for the body's activities. Our next largest unit of organization is known as a tissue. A tissue is a group of similar cells that perform the same function. The body contains four main types of tissue, which include muscle, nervous, connective, and epithelial. Muscle tissue. It can contract or shorten. By doing this, it makes parts of your body that move. Nervous tissue directs and controls the movement process. It carries electrical messages back and forth between the brain and other parts of the body. Connective tissue. This provides support for your body and connects all of its parts. Epithelial tissue. The surface of your body, i.e. your skin, inside and out, are covered with this. This type of tissue protects delicate structures that lie beneath it. It is also found in the digestive system and allows you to absorb nutrients from food. Our next largest unit is an organ. It's composed of all types of tissue. It performs a specific job that is usually very complex. The stomach, heart, brain, and lungs are all organs. For example, the heart pumps blood throughout your body over and over again. The heart itself contains all four types of tissue, which all contribute to the overall blood pumping. Our next largest unit is an organ system. Each organ in your body is a part of a system. Each system works together to perform a major function. For example, your heart is a part of the circulatory system, which delivers blood throughout your body. However, blood vessels can also play a key role in the system. Without them, there would be no way for the blood to get to where it needs to go. Now, we're looking at homeostasis. This is the body's tendency to keep an internal balance. This is the process by which an organism's internal environment is kept stable in spite of changes in the external environment. An example of homeostasis in action would be a reading of your temperature. Your temperature is always going to be around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. If your body falls below this, you shiver to warm back up. Then this is going to return you back to a normal body temperature. If your temperature exceeds the normal, your body will sweat to cool you off. Some other examples of homeostasis in action would be when your blood sugar starts to rise. Our pancreas will release more insulin. Body cells take in the sugar or glucose from the insulin. The liver takes up the sugar or glucose. Blood sugar starts to fall. Our sugar or glucose levels are balanced. More examples of homeostasis have to do with maintaining body temperature, maintaining a fluid balance, and maintaining blood sugar levels. Stress. Sometimes things can happen which throw off homeostasis. As a result, heart rate and breathing increase, which are all indicators of stress. Stress is the reaction of your body to potentially threatening, challenging, or disturbing events. Stress causes chemical reactions in your body to occur, which try to compensate for the loss of homeostasis. And here we see a diagram illustrating the fight or flight response, which is what your body does in reaction to certain stressors. Yeah, you did it. You reached the end. Good job.